Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue with the Braun Multiserve coffee maker, the frustrating error code E13. If you're here, you're probably staring at your machine, wondering why it's not brewing that perfect cup of coffee. Don't worry, we're going to break this down step by step so you can get back to your morning routine in no time. First off, what exactly is error code E13? In the 2025 models, this code typically indicates a problem with the water flow or detection system. It might mean the water tank isn't being recognized, there's a blockage in the lines, or perhaps a sensor issue is at play. Braun's documentation suggests this error is often related to simple maintenance oversights, so let's not panic. To start troubleshooting, ensure your water tank is properly seated and filled to the recommended level. Sometimes, a loose tank can trigger this error. Give it a firm push and try running a test cycle. If that doesn't work, it's time to check for clogs. Over time, mineral buildup from hard water can block the internal tubes. We recommend descaling your machine using a Braun-approved solution. Mix it according to the instructions, run a descale cycle, and rinse thoroughly afterward. Another quick fix is to reset the coffee maker. Unplug it for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and power it up. This can clear temporary glitches. If you're still seeing E13, inspect the water filter if your model has one, it might need replacement. Now, if none of these steps resolve the issue, it could be a hardware problem, like a faulty sensor or pump. In that case, contact Braun's customer support or take it to an authorized service center. They can provide warranty assistance if your machine is still under coverage. Remember, regular maintenance is key to avoiding these errors, so clean your Braun Multiserve every few months. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more appliance tips. What's your go-to fix for coffee maker woes? Drop it in the comments below. See you next time.